Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's Monday, September 16th, and I'm going to remove this Zingarella air layer that I started on July 15th of this year. So it's been 2 months and a day. There's actually this shoot here grew pretty tall, and there's still one fig up at the top here that's just barely hanging on. There we go. And there's still a lot of figs on this one. Now I know that one year this gave me 2 crops. I know because I documented it. And then, I don't know, was it last year or a couple of years? It didn't give me anything. And this year it gave me no Brava figs, but a good sized main crop. So you can see there's still a ton, at least a dozen figs still on this tree. And take a look inside here. I already brought the knife and the plate inside. Let me open this up with my hand. So that is what they look like. I guess it falls in the category of a honey fig. And small eye, and they really don't tend to split. And depending on your environment, they can produce really sweet fig, honey sweet fig. That was sweet. A little watery. I mean, very sweet. It's almost like it was keeping the two separate. Like you had sweet, and then there was a lot of water. And I've been watering it. I can't keep up with it. It just is still high 80s in the lean-to here on a nice clear blue sunny day like today. So yeah, this little offshoot here had leaves on it, and they dropped this. I didn't pack this in. This soil here is drying out quickly. But yeah, let's go take a look inside here. Yeah, I guess I put a lot of perlite in there. So I need to get this like in a, I guess in a bucket or something. And I might just leave it in this container. Put this on eBay. But I have to get in on the base here. And, oh yeah, it's going to be easy to get to. Right there. Just cut that off right there. Yeah, there's a, that's why the soil is settled. I try to straighten this out with that garden tape. But the soil is settled. There's a pocket there. Let me take this off, and might remove some of the remaining figs there. I think I can do this without putting in, I don't know, that's, wow, that is a pretty thick branch. I might need 2 hands. Let me put this on the tripod. I'm wondering even if I need larger shears. Okay, let me try this. Wow. I need to get larger shears, I think. I'm almost there. Okay, guys. Whew. That was a workout. Okay, so let's. Oh, you know what? And then either these roots have grown into the top of the soil, or more likely the roots that are on the surface here, they end up going up into the soil from the main plant. So remove those. All right. Still some roots there. Alright, so there's the Cinderella. I just take that leaf off, it'll be falling off anyways. And it stands about 34 inches tall. I mean, it's over, I think, at least 3 feet. If you straighten that out, probably just bury it like that. Okay, there's the Cinderella. 2 months in the making. Alright, so it's a little hard to see. Can't really make it out. You can see the roots. They're all like lignified and toughened up. There's some white roots there on the top there, but what I'm going to do, because it was at an angle, I'm going to really hydrate this for about a couple hours and put it in this bucket and put some water in here. You know what, while I'm out here, I might as well go ahead and remove this Encanto Farms Black Madeira. You can see here the leaves are turning. This one, fig turning there, but one has split. And I was concerned because it's pretty heavy there. So I'll remove that. I'll probably bet you this branch ends up, I don't know, there's a little branch here. I was wondering if that would die back, but yeah, I'm going to go ahead and remove this hair layer too. Alright. Yeah, this was, I didn't water this too much because it would get really heavy. It feels kind of light here. I'll have to hydrate this too. Cut this off. Oh, there we go. There's some weight off the top. So, there's a nice, this seems off there. Encanto Farms Black Madeira. Let's take a look at the roots. I can do some good watering on this. So, just had some figs drop off, so I'm just going to remove these figs here. It'll just add to the shipping weight, and they're not going to ripen. Take these split ones off. I'll probably eat that in a week. It's definitely going to be less stressful out here. It's cooler in the lean-to. But let's take a look at these roots. Okay. Yeah, the tape is covering a lot of them up, but I might fill that in with some more soil. I'll do that right now. I just put that in the bucket too. Let it hydrate a little bit. Okay, so I peeled the tape back. You can see the roots on this side here more prominently. So just ship them in these juice containers here. Won't disturb them. do have two more air layers. Those are both Shea Black, UC Davis Shea Black. But I started those about a month later, so I can leave those on a little bit longer. So this is New England Gardening. Removing a couple of the air layers. Is that a... it looks like there is a... oh yeah, there's a ripe Shea Black with a yellow jacket on it going to town. So this is New England Gardening. Removing a couple of air layers. Thanks for watching.